Good morning friends, I am Himanshu Agrawal with my friends Prakash Yashodharma and Vivek Patel demonstrating our project timer circuit using NE555 timer IC, and we will be going to demonstrate it on the load bulb. And let me set the time to 2 minutes, trigger the switch and start the stopwatch. Here you can see the load is made because of the combination of the transformer, a capacitor and bridge rectifier combination. And here the load it is the 3 volt transformer, means it step down from the 250 volt to 3 volt. Coming back to the circuit, we will notice that there are two LEDs. The one is indicating the power supply to the circuit, and another is indicating the power supply to the load. The input is transformed for the circuit using the transformer, 12 volt, bridge rectifier circuit and the IC7812 from 250 volt to 30 volts 50 Hz supply to 12 volt 1 ampere supply, and the output is given to the load using the switching mechanism offered by the relay. Is input to the relay is given from the circuit is 12 volt 1 ampere, and output to the load is given as same as the input from the switchboard, which is equal to 230 volts 50 Hz. You will notice that approximately 1 minute 10 seconds passed. You will notice that approximately after 50 seconds the green LED will turn off and this bulb indication will also turn off. We have made the manual setting time using the switch. Here 6-step switch. We have made the triggering mechanism using the micro switch, BC547 transistor. We have included IN4007. The most precious thing of this is the INE555 timer IC, which is responsible for whole and sole working of this circuit. It basically works on the principle of charging time of capacitor, which is approximately equal to 1.1 of log of RC. You can see that at any instant the load might be turned off. You can see that after 2 minutes 1 second the green LED turns off and the load is also turned off, but the red LED still. And here it is. This is how our timer circuit works. And thank you for watching. Have a